right, thanks, Emily. We're joined once again with Greg Remmenga for some more free legal advice. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Today we'll be discussing seatbelts, just besides the obvious that you should wear them in a car, but how it may impact your legal process as well.
Well, starting out with, I need to say, seatbelts have been proven to save lives and reduce injuries.
Yeah.
And if you don't wear a seatbelt, it's likely that you're going to get a ticket if you're in an accident. But aside from that, your injuries are going to be worse, which is going to affect you throughout your life.
Sure.
Because now you're going to have to do treatment, it's going to be more expensive, and all of the practical results of having a more serious injury are going to be yours because you failed to wear the seatbelt.
Right.
But when you start to pursue your claim for the personal injury, we've talked about economic and non-economic damages. Economic damages are the dollar things such as your loss of income, your medical bills, all of those types of things.
Sure.
Failing to wear a seatbelt doesn't affect economic damages.
Oh, okay.
But if you don't have a seatbelt, the jury can totally eliminate your right to get non-economic damages, the pain and suffering, the loss of enjoyment of life, and that whole portion of your lawsuit may be totally eliminated, and the jury may say you're not entitled to any pain and suffering, any non-economic damages if you don't have your seatbelt.
Okay.
So it could be a very significant risk. If it's a long-term serious injury, the non-economic damages, your loss of enjoyment, the inability to do things you like could be a huge portion of your case.
Sure.
And if the jury says no, you can't even present that evidence to the jury about how it affected the pain and suffering and the non-economic damages.
Yeah, absolutely. It's probably hard for a juror to show complete sympathy for someone that didn't take the time, the 2 seconds to put their seatbelt on. It's something that we should all be doing anyways. And
Right. So that's your risk.
right. So,
Worse injuries, possible ticket, and you may not be able to recover any non-economic damages in a lawsuit.
right, absolutely. So very good advice from Greg. If you have any questions or want a free consultation from Greg, feel free to contact him with that phone number.